Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share within and outside your circle, joining as a member. Membership gives you access to videos firsthand and special videos as well that don't go live on my normal homepage. So those videos are specially for members only and you're gonna love it, you're gonna enjoy it. Guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this amazing cropped sleeve. So you know this cropped sleeve that people wear to the gym. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make it with this amazing stretchy fabric. Let's get into it. So guys, what I have here is my chest measurement divided by 2. So the width here like this, my chest divided by 2, and then the length is whatever length you want your crop top to be. Now in my case, I want it to be about 7 inches when I'm done, 8 inches. So here I've cut out 8 inches, and what I'm going to do now is, this is 2 pieces, I'm going to fold it into 2. Now that we've done it into 2 just like this, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to measure my neckline. Now my neckline is going to be 3 inches by 2 inches. So 3 inches along the width like this. By 2 inches. And then I'm going to create my neckline curve. Now for this, the front and the back will have the same neckline curve. Then for my shoulder to shoulder, this is going to be my shoulder to shoulder divided by 2. Then you can actually minus 1 inch from that measurement. So right here, I already have that measurement, the minus measurement already. My chest measurement is already what I need for the shoulders. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to go down by 1 inch for my shoulder slope. And I'm going to create my shoulder slope basically. So I'm just going to cut this out and show you guys what next to do. Now guys, when you've sewn it, I want you guys to wear it and see if your neck is going to go in, because this 3 by 2 might be too small for some people's head. So once it's too small for you, you're going to increase it again. So all you need to do is just trim it and make this place deeper. So um, cut it basically and connect it so that it can be a deeper curve, so that your head can go through it. So guys, what I'm now going to do is I'm going to work on the armhole and the sleeves basically. So now how I'm going to do the sleeve is I'm going to take this fabric. Now this fabric is the length of the sleeve that I want a long sleeve, so it's very long. It's about 26 inches long. So whatever excess, I'm going to cut it afterwards. So it's better to have more than to be short basically. And the width is, so we're going to just place it right here. When you're placing it, place it half an inch from the shoulder. Can you see the space? Because we're going to sew this together just like this when we open it up. So you're still going to sew this shoulder to shoulder, and then this is what I have as the sleeve side. Now guys, once you've sewn this part, I'm going to use a pin to represent it. So let's just imagine we've sewn this part, or let's use this part that is cleaner. So guys, you're going to sew the sleeve at the open edge at this point. So once you get to this point, sew the sleeve at the open edge. I'm going to show you guys how to do it exactly. So just keep watching. I'm going to show you guys. And then we're going to sew it along the shoulders like this with half an inch. And then at this part, so this bottom part, I want to sew it by half of an inch. So I don't know if you guys get what I mean. So half of an inch up. So just sew it by half of an inch so that you have a seam. So this is what I'm going to do. Create a tiny curve. Now sew this curve half of an inch, half of an inch. So it's half inch to half inch, half inch to half inch. And that will help us work on our sleeves very well. It's going to help the sleeves very well. So just do that. And once we're done, we're going to move to the next stage. So guys, this is what this looks like. I have also sewn one of the sleeves. Now how I sewed the sleeves was I took my sleeve piece basically just like this, and then I sewed it using half of an inch from the beginning, and I continued increasing till I got to the end of the sleeve because my wrist is smaller than my upper side of my arm. So I have to make this side bigger and this side smaller so that it can be very fitted on my body. So if you guys notice on this one, this is half an inch right here. Then it kept increasing and increasing and increasing till I got to the end. So once I wear it, it's going to be fitted on my sleeve wrist basically, and this side is going to be on the top right here, so the shoulder side. So once you've sewn your sleeve, you're now going to take it and you're going to place it inside this place. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my sleeves to the right side. Then I'm going to take the shoulder parts, the parts that is meant to be with the shoulders. I'm going to take it like this. And with my piece here being on the wrong side, so this is the wrong side right here, I'm going to place this inside. But I'm going to align the sewn side with the bottom piece right here. So can you see? So this is the sewn side. I'm going to place it on this side. And with that, I'm going to sew it all around right sides facing so that once I'm done, I'm going to have my sleeve ready. So that's what you should basically do. Sew it all around right here and then your sleeve will be ready. So do this for this sleeve, finish off this sleeve as well and sew it to your top. And they're going to be ready. Now, I also want to have a curve in front of my top basically. So on the front side, I want it to have a curve basically, slight curve, deep curve, however it's going to be. I want it to have it just right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one side and fold it into two. Then I'm going to take a curved ruler and I'm going to place it just like this, depending on how deep you want your curve to be or whatever. So you're going to place it like this, and I'm going to draw that curve to see what shape it looks like. And once I'm satisfied with that shape, I'm going to cut it out. And this is what it looks like. So now I'm going to work on the sleeves and I'm going to leave this like this. I'm not going to hem anything because I like how it's clean cut. So I'm going to leave this like this. And for the neckline, I might either leave it like this or I might just fold it once and sew it all around to finish the neckline. Now the neckline, anything is up to you, your method, whatever you like with your fabric. You can use a bias tape to finish it, you can fold it once to finish it, fold it twice to finish it. Whatever method works for you and you're comfortable with, that's what you should use. So in my case, I am probably not going to finish this because I like how clean cut it is. And the sleeve as well, I'm going to sew it and I'm not going to finish this hem as well. So let me just go and finish everything and show you guys what it looks like. And guys, this is what it looks like. Can you guys see? This is what the top looks like. So can you see the curve in front as well? And my sleeves as well. So with this, I decided to make it a clean cut for the sleeves, for all the points, the neckline, the curve right here. So I decided to not sew it because when I tried to sew it, it didn't turn out really well. It didn't turn out well, and this fabric does not fray. So once I used my very sharp scissors, it was very clean cut. So I decided to just leave it like that. And guys, this is what I have. Wow, I love how this turned out. I hope you guys love it. If you try it out, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations. I would love to showcase your work with all my growing followers and even here on YouTube. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share within and outside your circle. And as I said earlier, joining as a membership gives you opportunity to have first-hand, knowledge about my videos. You're going to watch it first. And there are other videos on the channel that are for only members, and I would love you guys to be a part of that community. And until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.